Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am 𝗵𝗿𝗺 from 𝗙𝗊𝗺. In today's video, we'll be talking about how to redeem our free $180 basic plan from 𝗲𝗏 as a student, which means you are getting 𝗲𝗏 for free. Isn't that amazing? So the free 𝗲𝗏 plan you're getting is called what we known as the basic plan. So now do make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and click on the notification icon to get notified when new videos are posted. So now to get 𝗲𝗏 basic, you need to watch one of our previous video, so you can check on the description below to look at the video and get started one by one. So the previous video is a seamless method in which you can use to get free basic plan as a student. So now if you check through the video, you're going to see this amazing offer that the last time we did the AI video, it was actually July 4th 2025, which means it's on Friday, and now the video was done around 12, which is 00 a.m. and now when I got my application filled, it was at 4 a.m., meaning it's just 4 hours, and now you can see this is 4 days ago. So our video is just 4 days ago. It's not going to take you times to check through it. So now let's see what the new offer is. Hi 𝗵𝗿𝗺, great news, your application for the student discount has been approved. We can't wait to see what you build. Can you see that? That's very much amazing. Yes. So now what I am being told here is to get this, I need to upgrade to the basic plan, meaning if I am free plan, I need to upgrade to the basic plan, which worth more than $180. So now to get this started, just head over to 𝗲𝗏.com. Yes, so you should be familiar with this interface. If you watched through our previous video, but if not, this is 𝗲𝗏.com, so you can visit it by looking at 𝗲𝗏.com, putting it in your browser. So now starting here, I am already logged in. You have to start up with a new school email. Yes, so now after you put in your school email, you continue with your school email. It's going to ask you couples and few questions, which are majorly a type of multi-form, which is very seamless. You just have to put in some drop down and the likes. Yes, so now let's go to the projects that we have. So now you can see that there's no new project. This workspace is just built. So now let's look at the accounts. Let's see what else we have there. You can see the email. Yes, so this is actually my school email. So you can decide to sign out or delete the account. So now this is the workspace, and now this workspace is free. So now to get all this started, what we need to do is changing the plan. Yes, you can see the plan here. So there is no active subscription form. You can change this plan from what we have, which is actually the free, to the basic plan. So now click on upgrade. So meaning we are following through this step-by-step process that is here. So make sure you pay a very close and keen attention to this. And now you can see the promo code here. So this is what we have to be the promo code. So click on the setting icon on the top right corner and then navigate to plan. So we're currently on plan. Then click subscribe under the basic plan. So now upgrade project. So now being a student and being able to showcase that I continue with my student email, you can see now that I am on basic plan. Yes, so this is the type of plan I am. Let me zoom out for you guys to see. Okay, let's go back there, setting, plan. Yes, so this is the plan. There's no active subscription. Let's look into this. Upgrade. So now can you see the plan we are? Currently, I am on basic plan. So you can decide to start a new project. You can decide to invite anyone. So this is one of the seamless way you can get to be on basic plan of 𝗲𝗏 without you paying a dime as a student. So let's do some couples of things. So you can decide to upload your picture. Yes, you can check through your section of in a new project. So now to create a new project, this is your workspace. You can add another workspace. Let's check for you can change the mode of the day. Yes, so meaning we are in light mode. You can change over to click on template, workspace template. So there's no new template. You can create or mark an existing project. So now let's start a new project. So now here is Framer, here is the interface of what we have. So it's loading up. Yes, so this is what you have. Yes, so it gives you access to work with CMS, which is content management system, layout from frame, rows, column, grid, and you can see this actually works, and it's majorly great with if a user of Framer of Figma or FrameJam. Yes, so now let's just get over to Framer template. Let's check for Framer template. So it's going to redirect us to the Framer marketplace. Yes, so all we have to do is just find what seems to stand out for us. So you can see numerous of templates here. This is Apex Film for $49. All these are free. You can see the asset management here free. So you can decide to create card and create amazing things. So from web app to any type of things you would love to create. So now these are our templates. Let's look through a landing page. Yes, so this is a landing page. Select it, and now you should be able to filter the template for us. Yes, so you can see this is landing page Landio, which is free. This is 𝗙𝗖𝗄𝗃. Yes, so why this is this is another landing page Athos. So this is very much more of like a portfolio. This is another one. This too is free. So now let's not bore ourselves. For the purpose of this video, let's just start with something simple, minimalistic, and easy to modify. Yes, so now let's get started with this Landio. Click on it. The moment you click on it, you're going to have this interface, so you can decide to use for free. Yes, which is going to get it as a new project on your Framer, or you preview how it looks. So now we're going to preview the look. Can you see the entrance animation? Can you see how great it is? Can you see the background, the way it grows? So automate. Now let's scroll down. Why choose us? Can you see how interactive it is? Yes, let's continue scrolling. So you can believe this is actually an amazing one. So now to edit any template, just click on use for free. Yes, so the moment you click on use for free, you should be it's going to create this as a new project on your Framer. Yes, so now to view any type of project in which you have on your Framer dashboard. Yes, so this is currently still loading. So to view any project on your Framer, just go to dashboard. Yes, so now this was the first one we opened, which was the untitled, and now this is yet to be opened. So the moment it's opened, you're going to see the new project on the dashboard. Okay, yeah, so when you click on it and you click on use for free, so you can click on the copy. So when you copy it, it goes to part of your project. Yes, you can see Landio copy. That's what we have. So now this is where we have our previous project, and this was on title just some moment ago. So now let's reload it. So we should be able to find new project on it. It's still loading up. Okay, so now you can see the interface that we have here. So, and this is the previous image. So you can see this one, you have it free. So you can decide to delete, you can duplicate it, you can copy the link to visit the website. So now let's do a little editing. So here's what we have. You can see the landing page, you can see how amazing it is. So let's do a quick one. Let's change the name. Yes. So basic plan tutorial. So you can name it anything you feel like you need to name it. You can do your site description. Just click on save. Yes, it has been saved. Yes, and now let's come to changing the domain name. So let's change the domain name from what it was before. Then we can change it to what exactly we want to use. So this is now if we decide to rename it. Yes, so basic plan tutorial. So that's actually what we want to rename it. So you can see it has been renamed. And now let's go to our home page. Let's go back, and if we want to fill, so let's do a little basic editing. Yes, so zoom in, Control plus, zoom in. Yes, so let's delete this element that says edit. Yes, so now to feel much about it, you can decide to click on this layer. So it is from the layer you'll be able to see the frames, the options that are there. So let's just delete it. Just click on your delete. Yes, so you can see it's deleted. Let's zoom out. Now let's publish. So these are also basic things you can decide to go up with. So we are publishing now, so we'll be able to have a live link for our project. Okay, great. As you can see, this is being published, and this is the person who published it. So the changes has been made, so we can now view our website here. So 𝗙𝗵𝗺 so this is going to be the link to our website. Yes, so you can see how sleek, amazing it is. See the background, the entrance animation, the interaction. Yes, so let's scroll down. So let's just make some basic change to it, like changing the the name of the domain name. Yes, so let's go to setting. Yes, then click on domain. So now we have our name for the domain. So now let's just put a random name. So we're going to use basic plan. Yes, so now update it. So now it has been updated. Then you can publish your website. Yes, so just for you to be able to update it. So it's currently updating. Okay, so now let's go here, over here. You'll be able to see that okay, it has changed from 𝗙𝗵𝗺 to basic plan. So let's reload this. So on reloading, this is still going to take the previous name in which you want. Yes, but any changes you are making is not going to be here. So for you to see the changes, all you have to do is just click on this basic plan. So you can see this is the name of the website. So now let's change a little header for it to just be visible. So for you to see the changes between them, just double click on the header. Yes, so it's going to show it up here as a layer. Let's go for the nav bar. Yes, so now this process we are changing it. So now to change, you can use this right hand side bar. Okay, so from process, let's say pictures, right? So you click on enter, and after that, this gets template. Let's give it another name, get started. You can see we've changed it over to get started, and let's delete a part of this. So just click on, select it here or here, then click on delete. Great, you can see we have 4 menus now. Then let's publish it. You can see we only made one changes to the nav bar, and you can fill wherever you make your changes. So let's update it. Great, it has been updated. So now let's visit it this way. Reload, we should be able to see the changes that have been made here. Great, you can see. So now if you like this video, just give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and do not forget to click on the notification icon to get started and get notified when new videos are posted. Thank you very much. And if you have any question, do not hesitate to reach out. And if you have a friend who is interested in this or knowing more about Framer, so you can decide to refer them or just share this video with them. Do have a lovely day.